This is I Am Not Alone in the Key of C by Kari Jobe. I hope you love how simple this one is. It's so beautiful. All right, as always, you can click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so let's take a look at the three main chords in the key of C. We have C, F, G, and then we have an A minor and a D minor. So let's take a look at C chord, C, E, G, F chord, F, A, C, G chord, move up one note, G, B, D, A minor, move up one note, A, C, E, and then our D minor is just right here, D, F, A. All right, left hand is going to be playing single notes, so put your thumb on C and you can line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't really have to move this hand the whole song. So when we play chord up here, we're going to play single C note at the same time. F to F in the bass, G, A minor with A in the bass. And when you play your little D minor, you can play a D minor up here and just open your thumb up one note. Okay? All right, let's bring the two hands together with a rhythm I like to call together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the F chord. Okay, and then the G chord, together, right, together, right, and so on, okay? All right, so let's look at verse 1 when we're bringing the two hands together, but then we add in some vocals. Let's see what that sounds like. When I walk through deep waters, I know that you will be with me. All right, pretty simple, right? So let's take a look at what that looks like. You're just going through this nice marching rhythm, and then when you see that chord change, then you just switch it to the next chord, okay? Let's see, so verse 1, 2, and 3 are all the same chords, so there's nothing new learning there. It's very simple. And then we have our chorus. So let's go through verse 1 even slower so that you can just kind of bleed into that chorus here. Starting with that A minor. When I walk through, move to the F chord. Deep waters, move to that D minor, so open your thumb up here. I know that you will be with A minor, me, G. Back to the A minor. When I'm standing, F, in the fire, here's that D minor. I will not be over A minor, G, that D minor again. Through the valley of the A minor, shadow, C, and I will not, G, and I am not alone. That's how we bridge into that chorus, okay? And I am not alone, G. You will go before me. You will never, F. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. Then into the verse 2. You could just kind of go right into it like that. Kind of pretty, huh? You will never leave me on that chorus. A minor. In the midst of F, a deep sorrow, D minor. I see your light is breaking, A minor. G, A minor. The dark of night will not overtake me, D minor. I am pressing into A minor, G, D minor. Lord, you fight my every battle. And then let's see, C. And I will not fear. I am not alone. Then we bridge back into that chorus. let's take, or I should say we transition into that chorus. Let's talk about the bridge. Bridge is just really simple F, G, F, G. So there's a really simple pattern there. You amaze me, you redeem me, in G. You amaze me, you redeem me, you call me as your own. Repeat. You amaze me, you redeem me, you call me as your own. You amaze me, you redeem me, you call me as your own. Loop back into the chorus. And I am not alone. See how you can just come off of that G, just keep playing that, or even just do a solid break if you want to. You call me as your own. And I am not alone. And I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never F chord. And I am not a C. I am not a G. You will go before me. You will never F. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Have a lot of fun with this one. It's so gorgeous. When I walk through deep waters, I know that you will be with me. When I'm standing in the fire, I will not be overcome. Through the valley of the shadow, and I will not fear, and I am not alone, and I am not alone. You will go before me, you will never leave me, and I am not alone, and I am not alone. You will go before me, you will never leave me. In the midst of a deep sorrow, I see your light is breaking through. The dark of night will not overtake me. I am pressing into you. Lord, you fight my every battle, and I will not fear, and I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me, you will never leave me. I am not alone, and I am not alone. You will go before me, you will never leave me. You amaze me, you redeem me, you call me as your own. You amaze me, you redeem me, you call me as your own. You amaze me, you redeem me, you call me as your own. You amaze me, you redeem me, you call me as your own. And I am not alone, and I am not alone. You will go before me, you will never leave me, and I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me, you will never leave me. You're my strength, you're my defender. You're in the storm. Through these trials